Good morning friends. Today we will see the concept of list and how to access the list element with the help of positive and negative numbers, and how to specify the range in order to retrieve the list element. So let us try and take the variable as a list and then specify the list element in the form of apple double quotes complete comma, then mango, comma, orange. In order to display the list element, we use print function and specify the variable list and try to run the line of instruction. It will display the whole list. In order to display the first element in the list, we specify the 0 index, that is print list of 0, and try to run the line of instruction. It will display the first element in the list with the help of 0 index. In order to display the second element in the list, we can specify the index value 1 and try to run line of instruction to display the second element in the list with the help of index value 1. In order to display the third element in the list, we specify the index value as a 2. Because list index is start from 0, it will display the last element in the list with the help of index value 2. Yes, it will display the value orange. It also possible to specify the range of variable, that is from 0 to 2 and try to run the line of instruction. It will display the two element in the list, that is apple and mango. Because it exclude the index value 2 from the display list, it will display the 0 index value and 1 index value. In order to display the whole list, we have to specify the range from 0 to 3. Then it will display the whole list. Let us try by run the line of code. Now it will exclude the index value 3, and we know that list index is start from 0, then 0, 1 and 2. From 0 to 2 index value will be displayed. In order to display the last element in the list, we have to specify the range. We have to specify the index value -1. When we specify the -1 index, it will display the last element in the list, that is orange. In order to specify the range, we will use -1, -2 and -3. -3 to -1. Let us try to execute the line of instruction. It will display the index value from -3 to -1, but it exclude the -1 index, that is value at index -1 will be excluded. So it will display the result in the form of -3 to -2. -3 to -2, it will display the apple and mango in the list element. So hope you can understand the concept. Thank you very much.